Hi everyone! Welcome to the Fun Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to bake salmon with my own recipe. I hope you guys will like it. Let's start cooking! First, we will wash the salmon. Let's put aluminum foil on the plate, and we would like to bake the skin part first. So let the skin part face up. Add a pinch of salt on each side. Now we prepare the saucing. It's been 12 minutes now. It's time to flip. I'm gonna prepare a new piece of aluminum foil because we don't want the skin side to get wet. We can start boiling the sauce. Once the sauce is boiling, we can start adding starch water to condense the sauce. It's been 15 minutes now. We can take out the salmon. This is my own recipe for my baked salmon. I hope you enjoy this. You can have this for your dinner tonight and let me know in a comment how you like it. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Goodbye.